I just received my Fibre Share package and I'm going to open it now. I'm Tabea, and on this channel I'm all about the knitting lifestyle that will up the quality of life, and a huge part of that is the community that surrounds knitters, spinners, crocheters, weavers, all of the fiber folks. And in Fibre Share, people send packages to each other just to make each other's lives a little bit better. So let's see what's inside. So I got 2 packages because she forgot to pack something little. So I think I'm going to be starting with this first one. And in here we have this little package. And it makes the sound. Maybe some... we will see. Oh, it has this. It's a necklace with a ball of yarn in this beautiful blue, and it has some glitter in it as well. Oh, I really like it. And then it has a golden strap. Oh, this is really, really nice. Thank you. It's my first time participating in Fibre Share. If you haven't participated, then I will put the link down in the description box where you can look up all the details and maybe sign up for the next round. Okay, now I have to concentrate on how I am going to open this one. Whoa. There's an instruction on how to put it together, but not how to open it. That would have been a good thing as well. Come on! Okay, now I think I might be getting somewhere. Ta-da! Okay, so the first thing that I can see is this little notebook. It says knit notes and it's hand painted. And here my Fibre Share partner, she wrote a little thing for me. It's in Swedish, but I will just read it a little quick. She's saying, hi, it has been so much fun. I hope that I like the things that I've put together for you. The orange one was a little bit of a wild card. I wish you happy knitting and a woolly fall. Best regards, Anna. And this is so cute. Look on the back. She has painted knitting needles with the yarn. Oh, this is so cute. It's really nice that you just sat down and made this for me. Thank you so much. It's really nice. Okay. Then I will have a look at the small ones first. And then I will have a look at the yarn. Here it says, for being exact, för noggrannheten. And this one has 2 packages. And another package inside. Oh, it's little tiny scissors in pink, because I love pink, with polka dots on them. Oh, they're really cute. And I don't have scissors like that are this small. I only have a little bit larger ones. So this is perfect. Thank you. I just think, Anna, that you will be watching. And so I'm going to say thank you. Like every time when I open something. Oh, here I got some stitch marker from Cat Wrinkles that you can open up. Like my favorite markers. But then they have this little wooden thing with a rib stitch on it. These are really, really nice. And I love the markers that you can open. I think that's really important that you can. So I really like these. Thank you. Oh, they are really nice. Okay, let's have a look at some yarn. What have we got? Yes, here we have some Swedish yarn, which is called Virsjögarn. Östergötlands ullspinneri. And I think that I actually have this color at home already. I've just started knitting up a little something with it, but I really, really like it, and you never know when you will need more. And I made a swatch with it. Wait, I can get it and show you. This is the swatch. And the wool is fantastic. It's really, really nice. So, oh, I love this one. It's really nice. So what more have we got? We have Swedish wool and alpaca hand spun. Did you hand spun this for me? Oh, this is really amazing. Thank you. Oh, this is so nice. It's like this gray and white mix of both some wool and alpaca. Oh, this is really, really nice. I really like it. And it feels super soft. Like in the best woolly kind of way. Oh, thank you. This is so nice. I really like it. And then we have the orange one. The one that was more of a wild card, she said. Solkusten Spinnerverkstad. This is a Swedish wool that I haven't tried yet before, but that I have heard of and that I was really curious on trying. And she hand dyed it for me. Oh, she had uploaded this snippet on Insta stories where she just showed that there was a potluck where she opened and you could see the smoke coming out, and there she said that I'm cooking up something for my Fibre Share partner, so I kind of knew that she had hand dyed something for me. But it's so amazing. Thank you so much. Like that you just stood in her kitchen and dyed this yarn for me. Oh, that means so much. Thank you, thank you. And I love the color. I have been into orange lately, so I really like it. And it's super soft as well. I need to make a hat, so I think this would be perfect for that. Maybe I can mix it with some blue or something. It's really nice. Thank you, Anna. I really like it. Oh, it's really nice. And then we have the last one, which is Gotlandsgarn 2. It's a fingering weight Gotland sheep mixed with a little bit of Falkland merino. And I have knitted in the thicker one of theirs, but I have never tried the fingering weight. So I really like this one as well. And the color is gorgeous. It's this very dark purple, but it has like this, it has really interesting shadows in it. Yeah, so I really think it's super beautiful. And this is what the label looks like. Gotlandsgarn 2. It's really nice. Thank you, Anna. I really like it. Oh, of course, when you get some new yarn, of course your head is spinning away right away to think what are you going to make with it. But for this one I don't have like an immediate idea, but I have so many other fingering weight yarns, so I don't think I will have any problems to put something together. And then I have the last one, and it says för själen, for the soul. So let's see what's inside here. Here I have some tea, cinnamon and ginger. This looks really nice, and I love tea. I don't drink coffee, so I'm always having a cup of tea with me. So I'm very curious on trying to try it, and I always drink so cinnamon and ginger is like the perfect one, because I always drink like this little bit more heavy and like chai-ish teas. These are my favorites. Oh, and then we have some dark chocolate. And just look at the packaging. It's so beautiful. Oh, okay, so this was everything that was in the package. Anna, thank you so much. If you are thinking about participating in Fibre Share, I can highly recommend it. Thank you for watching. If it's your first time here, I would love to have you subscribe and I will see you in a new video next week. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.